Okay, since some of the material and topics in the first two weeks of this class in web security involve footprinting and enumeration and open source intelligence gathering, I thought I'd do a quick demo of open source intelligence gathering. And I'm going to use a tool called Maltego. And Maltego kind of creates a Visio-like diagram using open source information. And what you do is you conduct transforms, they call them. But really, I think most people would just call them queries. And in fact, it uses search engine Google to come up with these queries. And in fact, you use so many of them when you do this that you have to get an API license. And eventually Google will start charging you for bandwidth if you use this product commercially. But just to find a single one, you're not using it commercially, and to find out information about a single domain will be okay. Okay, so let's add a new diagram here. There we go. In order to download this, you have to register, which is not a big deal. But usually you sign in to their server, and that's a little bit more of a hassle. But what we're going to do is we're going to look at a domain. So that's this first one right here. Just drag that over into the diagram, and we'll do Pizza Hut. Now you could add other things. You could put a company in, people that you know there, the Twitter feed, whatever, and get a lot more information on what we're doing. But we're just doing preliminary footprinting of an organization using open source, as I mentioned. Okay, so let's just run all transforms and see what we get. Shows you a little progress bar here at the bottom. Okay, so that was quick. And then we get phone numbers, we get the website, we get the email servers, we get related domains, we get locations. We should have in here a little, let's see if we can, yeah, key, there it is. And this will tell you website, mail records, domain, locations. These are all color coded. So, and you can zoom in like that. So it gives you quite a bit of stuff. And then each one of these, you can run queries on each one of these, and then eventually you get more and more information of related entities. And so this gives you, you can also, we ran the standard transforms, but you can run different transforms to detail out different parts of the organization. Now, in this case, we were doing it individually, but if you weren't doing it individually, one thing about the Maltego tool is it allows you to sort of delegate different parts of this. Like I could select, I could just say, hey, John, I'm giving you this part of the diagram here. You detail that down. So it's kind of an interesting tool that, especially when dealing with open source information gathering, it's good to keep in mind. Thanks for watching this. Bye now.